Hi friends, this video shows how to connect AC power cable to this Canon printer. This is the front side of this printer. Let me go to the back side. Here you can see AC power port. This is a AC power cable, and this end of the cable we need to connect to this port. Let me connect to this port. Okay, done. Then this end of the cable we can connect to power socket. Here you can see power button. Press this button. See, now printer is on. This way we can connect AC power cable and switch on the printer. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.